Please roll it off. Your commander cargo has been secured safely inside the craft. It's in the jet. Let's go!
Yeah, she put me through. Hi, Nat. Everything okay? You need help?
I don't need help.
Yeah, I should help.
I won't pass a second time.
Like you. Tech like me, for example. I'm Sharon, the artificial intelligence that keeps this place organized and running smoothly. Yes, Webb has some of the brightest minds in the world, but I keep things around here pretty chill, so the kids can create the next big idea that will give you the tools to become the next generation of heroes. We hope you have a great time on your visit to the Worldwide Engineering Brigade Open House. And now, our project lead, the brilliant... Peter Parker!
Hey, what's up? I'm Peter Parker, and here at Webb we got access to some pretty awesome tech, like vibranium from Wakanda, or this crazy alien juice stuff. We have PIM particles and Stark Tech. It all helps us develop really cool stuff like these spider bots, for example. Check it out, they have this really cool self-replicating feature.
Because
it's awesome. Buddy, you can stop doing that now. But anyway, you guys are here today to help us test the web slinger vehicle. Using onboard tech, you will be able to sling webs just like my buddy Spider-Man.
Peter, your presentation is getting away from you.
Yeah, I'm aware of that, Sharon. If you could just initiate the safety protocols, it'd be greatly appreciated.
Problem with that,
So
Peter.
anyway, if you want to sling a web, all you gotta do is sling your arm in the direction you want to shoot the web, and that's it. It's awesome.
Peter, your spider bots are continuing to replicate and are consuming everything in their path.
They seem to be stuck in self-replication mode. If you could just handle that for me, please.
On it. Contacting Mr. Stark.
Don't call Mr. Stark! Don't call Mr. Stark. Sorry for shouting. Could you just call someone else? Ask them to do it.
Okay. Contacting Spider-Man.
Weird. I'm gonna go find Spider-Man first of all, because he's around here somewhere. Okay, goodbye. Spider-Man!
As you may have noticed, the spider bots are locked in that awesome self-replication mode. In spite of what you see, they were created to be robotic helpers that can break down raw material and create all kinds of useful tech. But because they are stuck in self-replication mode, the spider bots are currently consuming everything in sight and multiplying at an alarming rate. If left unchecked, my calculations predict this will lead to the devastation of the entire Avengers campus. What should be safe until Spider-Man gets here, as long as they don't get into the alien fluid? This is now a bigger problem. Activating threat level protocols.
Hey guys, what's up? I hear you have a phone problem. I'm here to help.
You made it. Great. Threat level is at exponential danger. You might need some help. Perhaps I'll call the Avengers?
Don't worry, everyone. I got this. Okay, everybody. Open house is canceled.
Wise idea.
And I could use some help.
Yes, you could.
Sharon, prep the slinger vehicles.
Already on it.
Everyone head to the slingers and we'll team up to stop the spider bots before they destroy the campus. It's easy.
Okay, we have a plan. Please move quickly through the doors and down the hall to the slinger vehicle bay. Your open house demo has been upgraded to a high-speed station with same momentum. For your safety, once on board the slinger vehicle, please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise children.
Para su seguridad, una vez a bordo del Slinger, permanezca sentado con sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervise a sus niños.
Let me remind you that it is for your safety that it once
Wait, the green bots explode. If we intentionally hit those green bots, maybe we'll trigger a chain reaction.
I think you're right. That should stop them.
What? Oh, no, not fighting bad guys today. I was testing some new tech in the suit for Mr. Stark. Good to see ya!
Not fighting today.
Whoa, hang on. My spider sense is telling me I need to test this suit. Okay, it's not. But I want to do some swinging.
She's down to go on all the big and tasty. Oh my god. It's not a lie. Oh my god.
I'm not sure the mouse isn't giving much.
Oh, that's
Radiator Springs. Radiator Springs.
Why do we need to be fast?
You need to look fast. Ka-chow! Ramon!
Shiny paint don't win a race. Now get out there and do it.
Uno for the money, due for the show. Tonight together, ready, and the quadro to go!